you know you're settling into van life nicely when you haven't done your hair and you don't care. You just probably smell a little funky. You're kind of like a little rough around the edges, but that's not even a concern in your day. All you care about is there gas in the gas tank? We got a full tank, so that's a check. And are the windows clean? Because it's time to hit the road. I don't even care about the phone.
I'm like woo-woo, the one my heart has gone to me, not gone to wait. Eco top. Eco tick. Oh, eco top. Eco tick.
Really, Disco? Is this really where you want to, like, just... What? Because you can't hold your own head up? You gotta put your head on my head? Disco, you at least put your tongue away if you're gonna hang out there, please. Like, this kind of, like, gross, actually. What are you doing? Get your... Disco Bear. Good morning, everybody. We are way out in the middle of nowhere. We have no cell reception, no Wi-Fi. But I got this Snuggle Bear. First thing in the morning, buddy, this is what you're gonna do. Oh, welcome to van life with Disco. Hey, can I get up? Oh, my boy. Buying hash browns for the van was such a good idea. You know what the key to making good hash browns is? Maple syrup. Maple syrup! Yeah, you just squirt a little maple syrup on the top. Oh, I don't know, maybe it's just a Canadian thing, I don't know. When I'm kneeling in the van and I just need like a little quick table to do my stuff on, I throw my little plastic cutting board on here and boom, it works. I just finished up the video for the Jackery battery, this one here. They've paid me to do a unboxing video for them, so I just finished editing that one. I know you've been busy this morning being a ruckus. Good morning, buddy. All right, here we go. This is always exciting. This one might not be as exciting because the ocean is over the hump and I can't see it, but you can hear it. Here we go. Whoo, ready? Boom. Oh yeah, yep, that will do. This is so fun. Just the sound of the waves crashing. My home is over there somewhere. And I'm excited to see, hopefully, some of this stuff clear up. There's like a speck of blue sky there and a nice clear section there. So let's hope this is moving this way. Oh, wow, guys. I want to run right down there, but I know the next one's going to bring it up to here and I'm going to be like, run! All right, there comes some big ones. Oh, shit! Oh, crap! Okay, my feet are freaking soaked. It got me. Weather doesn't look like it's clearing up at all. Raining outside at this point in time. Whoa, hold on, buddy. Up, that a boy. I'm gonna see if the information center up here has Wi-Fi because it's 11 a.m. and you guys have not received a video today. So I'm gonna go upload one so you guys don't think that I died somewhere. Because it happens the second I don't upload a video. I'm not kidding you. That day, by the end of that day, if there's no video, I receive like 15, sometimes 20 different emails. Oh! I always do this. This is full of water. Now we're ready. Seatbelt on. You wouldn't believe how many times we have turned a corner and got water everywhere. I did that once. I left a coffee on the counter, a full one, sploosh. Ah, van life. That was an awesome little campsite. It's called, that's the name of the campsite. If you can read that. I can't quite, it's got a thing in front of it. Yeah, and being that it's off season, you don't usually have to pay for campsites in the off season, so it's kind of nice. I think traveling in the off season is way better, way smarter, way more fun. There's 10 times less people, the same amount of things that you can see. Like nothing's changed. How pretty that is.
Catch. Sorry, guys.
Huh?
Forgot your change again from your stamps.
Do you have any US stamps?
I do.
I won't hold it against you.
Can we take it off? Okay, give me a quick hug.
Yeah, here, I'll give you a sticker.
Sticker? Oh boy, I love stickers.
I have to buy my stickers. What's going on? Can I get a couple of packs of US stickers, please? We just left the post office in Port Renfrew, which is also the local library, and I figured if anywhere is going to have Wi-Fi, it'd be here because of the library. Well, everything's kind of closed. The post office was open, so I grabbed some more US stamps so I can get you guys some more stickers because we're out of stamps. And she's like, sorry, sir, but the only place you're going to get Wi-Fi in town is way down to the far end there at the brew pub. What? You're telling me that I have to go to work at a pub and upload videos and, like, drink a beer? Okay. You don't have to twist my arm. That's pretty sad, actually.
It's a fun game we play here.
You see, that's one thing we never got to worry about. We got power in the van. We don't got to worry about counting down days since the last power outage. That's hilarious. Thanks. Alright, well, that took 4 hours to upload. 4 hours! One video. This is the only place in this town that has a little bit of Wi-Fi.
Oh. Going for a little walk. Oh my god. I can't imagine. Does he snore?
Oh yeah, like
Yeah.
you wouldn't believe.
Okay. Well, it was nice to meet you.
And your name is?
I'm Sarah.
Hi Sarah, I'm
Hi.
Chrome.
It was nice to meet you.
See you later. You're always making friends, homie. Always making friends. Eh? Life as a digital nomad. Well, this whole day today, from the moment I woke up until now, was the epitome of exactly what it's like to work and live a full-time life on the road. What are the benefits of living and working on the road? That AKA digital nomad, making money on the internet, but yet still living the freedom lifestyle. Well, it looks a lot like this. It's not bad. Not a bad freaking view, let me tell you. Moments like this are just so good. But let's take a look at the realities of being a digital nomad. I would be considered a digital nomad because why? I make money on the internet, being the digital part of my nomadic lifestyle. But the grind is real. If I look at my grind today compared to my 9-to-5 grind before, it's kind of the same, but just a whole lot more fun. I work just as many, if not more hours, grinding away at my all-new passion for making movies. I grind just the same. The difference between my grind now and the old grind before, whoosh, is kind of that. That's the difference. Is this grind has freedom. This grind has the choice on where I want to make my work day. That's the difference. But you can make money online doing anything. So find something you're passionate about. Find something that kind of sparks an interest and a fire in you inside. And go find a way to make money at it. In this day and age, you can make money doing just about freaking anything. Man, I make money by just putting my phone in front of my face and talking about my life. In a van. I live in a freaking cargo van. A cargo van. I'm that weird guy that sleeps on the side of a street in his van. And I earn my living because of that. So dig out that personality inside you've got and put it out there. What do you say, homie? Good long hard work day, ready to say goodbye? He's still working, pissing on things. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching today's video, and it's the end of my workday. So it's my time to say peace out to all of you, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, like, comment, subscribe, be positive, be beautiful, and never stop being weird. All right, peace out.